Ever feel like your auto loan is a black box? Like you're constantly wondering about your next payment, your current balance, or when you'll finally be debt-free? What if I told you there's a tool that puts all that information and more right at your fingertips? A tool designed to make managing your Ally auto loan not just easy, but genuinely empowering? That's right, we're talking about the Ally app. In today's video, we're diving deep into how this incredibly powerful, yet incredibly user-friendly, mobile application can transform the way you manage your auto loan. Forget logging in on your desktop, hunting for statements, or waiting on hold with customer service. The Ally app brings everything you need for seamless auto loan management directly to your smartphone. So, if you've got an Ally auto loan, or are even considering one, stick around, because this video is packed with essential tips and tricks that will save you time, reduce stress, and put you firmly in the driver's seat of your financial journey. Your auto loan dashboard, the snapshot view. When you first log into the Ally app, you're greeted with a snapshot view of all your Ally accounts. If you have an auto loan, it'll be front and center. This isn't just a pretty display, it's your personalized control panel. Think of it as your car's dashboard, but for your loan. From this snapshot, you can instantly see key information about your auto loan. We're talking about your current balance, your next payment due date, and the amount due. No more guessing or scrambling to find your latest statement. It's all there, at a glance. This immediate visibility is a game changer. It helps you stay aware of your financial obligations without even trying. You can quickly confirm that your last payment went through, or see exactly how much you need to set aside for your upcoming payment. But it's not just about what's due. The snapshot view also gives you a clear indication of your progress. As your balance shrinks, you'll feel that sense of accomplishment. It's a subtle but effective way to keep you motivated on your journey to paying off your car. Making payments easy, flexible, and fee-free. Let's be honest, making payments is probably the most frequent interaction you'll have with your auto loan. And the Ally app makes it incredibly simple. You have a few fantastic options, all designed for your convenience. One-time payments. Need to make a quick payment? The Ally app has you covered. From your auto loan details, you can initiate a one-time payment in just a few taps. You can choose to pay from a linked checking or savings account. The process is intuitive. Select Make a Payment. Choose your payment account. This is where you'll select the bank account from which the funds will be drawn. If you haven't linked one yet, don't worry, the app guides you through that process too. Enter the payment amount. This is where the flexibility comes in. You can pay your minimum due, or, and this is where it gets exciting, you can pay more than your minimum. Paying extra, even a small amount, can significantly reduce the total interest you pay over the life of the loan and help you pay it off faster. The Ally app makes it easy to add that extra principal payment. Select the payment date. You can schedule it for today or a future date. This is particularly useful if you want to align payments with your payday. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details, then submit your payment. You'll get an instant confirmation, giving you peace of mind. This immediate control over your payments means you're never scrambling at the last minute. Life happens, and sometimes you need to make an unscheduled payment or adjust your timing. The Ally app gives you that power. Auto pay, set it and forget it. For ultimate convenience, auto pay is your best friend. This feature allows you to set up recurring payments directly from your checking or savings account, ensuring you never miss a due date. And here's the best part, it's fee-free. Missing a payment can incur late fees and negatively impact your credit score. Auto pay eliminates that risk. Setting up auto pay in the Ally app is straightforward. Navigate to your auto loan details and look for the payments section. Select Enroll in Auto Pay. Choose your payment account and the date you want your payments to be withdrawn each month. You can usually pick any date up to 10 days past your original due date, though remember, your actual due date doesn't change, and late charges could still apply if you set it too far past. The ideal scenario is to have it withdraw on or before your due date. Confirm the details, and you're all set. Once autopay is active, the app makes it easy to manage or modify it. You can change the payment amount, adjust the payment date, or even cancel autopay if your circumstances change. This flexibility is crucial. Let's say you get a bonus and want to put a larger chunk towards your principal this month. You can temporarily adjust your autopay amount or make an additional one-time payment on top of your scheduled autopay. Paying by debit card through third party. While direct bank account payments are typically fee-free, Ally also offers the option to make a one-time debit card payment through a third-party service like Check-Free Pay. Keep in mind that these third-party services usually charge a small convenience fee. If you prefer this method, look for the option to pay via debit card in the app. You'll be directed to the third-party platform. You'll need your vehicle account number, debit card number, and zip code. While this option is available, for most users, leveraging the fee-free bank account payments through autopay or one-time transfers directly in the Ally app will be the most economical and efficient choice. Staying informed, alerts, and notifications. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. The Ally app helps you stay on top of your auto loan with customizable alerts and notifications. These aren't just annoying reminders, they're valuable tools that prevent missed payments and keep you informed. You can set up various alerts to receive notifications via email or text message, including payment due date reminders. Get a heads up before your payment is due, giving you ample time to ensure funds are available. Payment confirmation. Receive a notification as soon as your payment is successfully processed. This is incredibly reassuring, eliminating any "did it go through" anxiety. Payment issues. If there's a problem with a payment, e.g., insufficient funds, you will be notified immediately, allowing you to address it promptly and avoid potential late fees or credit impacts. Statements ready. Get an alert when your new billing statement is available to view in the app. To manage your alerts, go to your profile or settings within the Ally app. Look for the Alerts or Notifications section. Here, you can customize which alerts you want to receive and how you want to receive them: email, text. Taking a few minutes to set these up can save you a lot of hassle down the road. It's like having a personal assistant for your auto loan, always keeping you in the loop. Viewing statements and transaction history. Gone are the days of sifting through stacks of paper statements. The Ally app provides convenient access to your digital statements and a detailed transaction history. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.